Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Sun Tarot. My name is Jyoti. Today this reading is going to be for Taurus. Now this is going to be for the next 15-20 days. Okay, so let's see what are your current energies, what are your person's current energies. We'll see the mutual energies and then we will do a small reading for singles too. Alright, so let's start. Guys, please keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you but not all of you. Okay, so take what resonates and leave the rest. All right, so let's see what do we have for Taurus. We'll see what are your current energies, then we'll see your person's feeling. We have the King of Wands in reverse. I think you guys are madly in love with somebody. Okay, I do see this passionate love towards someone. Now, I don't know who is this for. Let's see what is. But you are stuck on someone for sure. You're stuck on someone. Alright, so let's see. Guys, I feel that you're madly in love with somebody. Okay, you're stuck on someone for sure, and there's lot of physical attraction, lot of passion in this relationship. We have the Empress also in reverse. This reverse, it's like, you like somebody but you are not taking the initiative, that kind of energy. I do see that there is a person who is the right match for you, but it's like you're still waiting and maybe staring at them, or maybe some of you are used to staring people, or you do stare this person when you meet them. I don't know, it could be anything, but I do see this energy where you're waiting for the other person to take action towards you. But yes, there is somebody you want to start your life with. Okay, this person is somebody who is the wife kinds or husband kinds. Okay, so you definitely have this feeling towards someone. You are manifesting this person. It's like, you are head over heels for this person. It's like you're waiting, or you're trying to manifest this person. I feel that you are trying, you want this person to take some initiative, but it's not happening. I do see that energy where you both are not in touch to some extent. It's like the conversations have reduced over a period of time, or I do see that could be that this person is ghosting you, whoever you are in touch with. Either they are ghosting you or you are ghosting them. Okay, so that is for sure. Now let's see. Three of Cups, Four of Wands. I think it's like, you had a very good time with this person, and I think you may have had some dreams with this person. You met, you spoke to each other, you shared your dreams with that person. You both were very sure of marrying each other, but then all of a sudden I do see things not moving forward for you. I'm going to see further. Yeah, Two of Swords. So I don't know, for some of you I feel that could be that you're stuck between two people. I do see that could be that you're confused between two people, but then there's, out of these two, your heart is stuck on one, and that one person is very difficult to get. It's like you are manifesting that person, but it's not happening. Either you both are not talking to each other, things have reduced over a period of time. I think, this relationship, when it started with a bang. Okay, and something has happened in middle, and I think things are not the same anymore. You both used to talk about marriage, you gave them commitment, they gave you the commitment, but something else has happened here. Something has happened that has caused you to be in this energy. It's like I feel that you are stuck on this person. You're thinking about this person entire day, that energy. But then at the same time, I do see that you are having these thoughts, negative as well as positive thoughts. You don't know. It's like you are confused between your heart and mind. Sometimes you feel that this person is worth investing. At the other moment you feel, no, no, this person is not worth investing. That kind of energy. You have had some good time with this person for sure. Okay, so let me see what are there your person's current feeling, and then I will proceed further. Let's see what are your person's current feeling. Okay, 10 of Wands, the Fool, the Chariot, and the World in reverse. Guys, I feel that this person you are involved with, okay, they could have walked away from your life all of a sudden. It's like you both were together, but then something happened and this person walked away from your life, the one that you have intense emotions for, because I certainly feel that you love somebody badly. Okay, you are lost in their thoughts. It's like you are lost in their thoughts, and this person may have walked out of your life. This person may have walked out of your life, so that why did they walk out from your life? Let me see what is the energy. Why did they move out? Let me see, why did they go away from your life? King of Swords and Nine of Wands. I think this person was angry. Okay, this person that you are dealing with, okay, this person was angry on you for something. This person could have blocked you, or they tried to create a barrier between both of you. Maybe this person is hurt. You may have said something to this person, either through your words or you did something through your actions, whatever it is, but this person was angry, because of which I think they could either they have walked out of your life, or this person they've created this barrier between both of you. But I think this person wants action. They are not happy either. It's like they are waiting for you to take the initiative. They feel that it's you who have done wrong to this person, so they want you to take action. That kind of energy. Okay, look at this person is stuck. Look at this, you are stuck thinking about them, they are stuck thinking about you. They are thinking about you madly. I think the love is mutual, guys. Okay, this love is mutual between both of you. Your person, they are thinking about you constantly. They are thinking about you constantly. They are thinking about all the time that they have spent with you. Look at this Page of Cups. It's like they want you to take the action. They want you to take the action. Seven of Cups. This person is confused. Maybe the one that you are dealing with, they may have choices also, and they don't know, but the love is for you. They love you. In spite of them having choices, they still love you. Okay, Knight of Swords. They are in this energy where they want to come running to you, they want to hug you, and they want to sort out the differences, but then there's something that's holding them. Yeah, you are not happy, they are not happy. It's like, yeah, I do see that energy. Hiding emotions. One of you is very good in hiding emotions. Now this could be you, this could be them. You both could be that you both are hiding your emotions. You both want to come to each other, but then not willing to open up. Yeah, they fear losing you. This person fears losing you. The one that you are dealing with, they really fear losing you. I see you trapped. You don't know what to do, confused, and I think their thoughts are haunting you. Okay, you have come to a point where their thoughts are haunting you. You are not at peace right now. You see yourself trapped in their energy, you see yourself trapped in their thoughts. In some cases, could be that you are seeing their pictures for hours a day. It could be you or your person, because both of you are thinking, I think both of you are thinking about them, they are thinking about you. Okay, I do see that emotional compatibility is missing in this reading. Emotional compatibility. So it's like you will have to understand them, they'll have to understand you. Okay. This person is trying to hide their feelings. Okay, Taurus, your partner, they are trying to hide their feelings. It's like they don't want to show how they really feel towards you. So that is why they have created this barrier. Okay, they are hiding their feelings. They don't want to tell you the truth, because they want you to take the action first. Look at this, they're waiting for you, they're waiting so that you can come back to them. Maybe you have turned your back, you're not talking to this person. One of you is not talking, either you are not talking to them or they are not talking to you. One of you is holding back in this relationship. Okay, I feel that this connection, this person wants a fresh start with you, Taurus. Okay, they really want a fresh start. They want, it's like, they cannot live also without you. They may have moved out in this relationship in the past, or they may have created a distance between both of you, but now I think this person regrets and they want to take some action. They want to come and start fresh with you. I see that energy where this person wants to come rushing to you and they want to start fresh. Look at this. Okay, this person wants to take action. They are literally waiting, but then confused. They are also confused. It's like you both are in the same energy right now. They want to start fresh with you. This person wants that everything should get back to normal. It's like the way you used to go out, hang out, you could be talking to each other for hours, whatever it is, but this person wants reconciliation with you, your partner. Okay, they really do. They want to come running to you. They cannot live also without you. Okay, that's the energy. Maybe this person has choices, but then they are still choosing you. That's the energy. Let's see what are the mutual energies between both of you. Let's see what are the mutual energies between both of you. Okay, Seven of Swords. You both are very good in hiding emotions. Okay, you are hiding emotions, they are hiding emotions. In some cases, I feel that for very few of you there is a secret affair involved. Now this could be you who is two timing, I don't know, but one of you is two timing. Now guys, keep in mind that this is a general reading. If I say that you are two timing, it doesn't literally mean you. It means that some of you, especially if you are a masculine energy, you are two timing with this person. Okay, I do see that. Queen of Swords. See, you both are seeking clarity. You both are seeking clarity. Seven of Cups. Seeking clarity. Options. You both want this. It's like, the love is so divine. I think you guys, you are in a very strong soulmate relationship. You want clarity. It's like your person wants you to choose them, you want them to choose you, but then things are still stuck. It's not moving forward. That's the energy here. Okay. Ten of Cups. Yeah, you guys are heading towards reconciliation. You guys are heading towards marriage. I think I told you that some of you have had a beautiful past with this person. You used to spend a lot of time. You may have spoken about marriage, children, but then all of a sudden this thing has come in middle. Now this could be anything. Maybe you said something to them which has hurt them, or they said something to you that has hurt you, whatever is the case. But something has come in between both of you, okay, because of which the relationship has come to a point where things are not so good between both of you. You both want reconciliation, you both want to come back to each other, you both want this, you both want this. Look at this Ace of Cups with 10. You both want to get married to each other, you both want this to happen. It's like you both cannot live without each other, okay. Still I see that thing, that emotional compatibility is missing between both of you. That's the only thing, okay. But I do see your person, they want you to come forward, they want you to take action towards them. They are willing to do things for you, they are willing to do things for you. Let's see what will be the outcome. Okay, I think I've got this. 6 of Pentacles, equal give and take. I told you, equal give and take. Princess of Cups and King of Cups. Look at this. I think you both will have to work on this relationship. It's like one person is investing a lot and the other person is not. It should not be like this. One of you, it's like you both have to work equally in this relationship. The love is mutual. King of Cups and Princess of Cups. Look at this. It's like you both are soulmates, like, you know, you both are twin flame. You are in a twin flame connection, you are in a soulmate connection. This person you are dealing with, I don't know who is this reading for. This person that you are dealing with, they are your soulmate. You may have spent some lives with this person in the past, okay. You definitely have spent many lives with this person, at least one or two, if not many, because this is a very strong connection that you are in right now, okay. So please just don't spoil this, guys. It's such a divine relationship. I would want you to work on this. Don't let this person go, okay. They love you so much. It's like they are waiting for you to take action towards them. Let's see what other messages do we have. I'm going to pick 4 cards here. Let's see if I have any other message here for you, Taurus. Guilt. Taurus, I think you are guilty of something. I told you, now when I said that some of you are two timing with this person, it did not mean that all of you, okay. So this is especially for a masculine energy. Maybe few of you, if you are a man, I think you were two timing with this person in the past and you have that guilt. Either you have hurt them intentionally, unintentionally, doesn't matter. You may have hurt them in some way, okay. Now this could be through words, through actions or something, but you are having some guilt in your heart, Taurus. Perfection. You feel that, you know, you want to be perfect, okay. You feel that you are not perfect for this person. You feel that you're not good enough for your partner. That's the energy. Oh my god, okay, these 2 cards just flipped. Self-worth and insecurity. You're very insecure. You feel as if you're going to lose this person, okay. You're highly insecure. It's like, you know, these thoughts are haunting you. What if you lose this person? What if this person falls in love with somebody else? That's the energy. It's like you are struggling to win this person. Some of you, I don't know, you have some guilt. Now this guilt could be anything. You feel that, I do see that in some cases there is some differences between both of you. Now this difference could be either you are too rich or they are too rich, or you are less or they are less, or religion, caste, whatever it is, I don't know. But there is some guilt in your heart. So as I told you, you're struggling to be perfect. You are working hard. You want to be perfect, okay. You don't want to make any mistakes. This card is trying to tell you, know your self-worth, okay. Know your self-worth. You are precious. I don't know why I get this, that some of you are struggling with low self-esteem issues, or could be that you are lacking the confidence to go in front of your person and face them. I do feel a sense of lack of confidence or low self-esteem issues. I know, Taurus, you show a very brave front in front of people, but internally you're very soft, very soft. So could be, I don't know for who is this message for, but some of you are struggling with this. You feel that you are not good enough for this person or something. Maybe this person that you are dealing with, they are very beautiful, very handsome, you feel you are lesser than them. I don't know, it could be anything. Okay, but know your self-worth. Okay, know your self-worth. You're just perfect. You feel that you're not perfect, but that's not the case. You're perfect. I know that there's this guilt. I do see insecurity at your side. You feel insecure. You feel as if you lose this person. Let's pull out more cards here. Okay, I think I've got this. Enlightenment, mysticism, passion, and instinct. So many cards. All right. So as far as your partner is concerned, Taurus, I feel that this person, maybe you are dealing with someone who is an enlightened soul. Some of you are dealing with somebody who is an enlightened soul. You feel that this person has a lot of spiritual knowledge or spiritual gifts. Okay, that kind of energy. This person is also confused. They are missing you badly. They are missing you badly. It's like they are waiting for you to come and meet them. They are waiting. It's like, they visualize as if you have come to meet them in their house. That kind of energy. And this person is busy working right now. They are following their instinct. They are trying to understand what should they do in this relationship. Whoever you are dealing with, this person is trying to understand what should they do next. Okay, they are trying to follow their instinct and they are following their passion. Maybe this person is trying to they're keeping themselves busy so that they don't miss you. I see that energy. So whoever you are dealing with, this person wants you. They are following their instinct. Okay, they're trying to listen to the intuition as far as you are concerned, but at the same time this person is waiting so that you can come and knock the door and tell them, hey, look, I'm here. Maybe you used to go to their house in the past very frequently, or somewhere, maybe you used to go and pick them up somewhere. I don't know, whatever it is, but I do see that your partner, they're waiting for you. Okay, they're literally waiting for a call or a message from your end. So that's the energy here. Okay, so let's see what guidance do we have for you, Taurus. Let's see if we have any guidance for you. Any guidance for my Taurus. Cut, clear, cancel. Look at this. Cut, clear, cancel. Cut, clear and cleanse all the memories and upsets of the past. Some of you are, I told you, you are in this energy where you feel guilty of something. Okay, guilty of something. So this card is trying to tell you, you just have to erase all the things that is weighing you down at present. Forget the past. Past is past. Okay, you cannot carry the baggage of your past in your present or in your future. Forget. Whatever happened. Let it go. Let it fly. Okay, you were not wrong. Whatever happened, you learned. You learned with experience. So just cut, clear and cancel. Whatever it is. I don't know. Whatever it is. So the second message is, balance the masculine and feminine energies in your body. Now you know that we all have these energies, both the energies in our body, be it a woman or a male. Okay, we both have the masculine and feminine energies in our body. So you will have to learn to balance. It's like, don't be over dominating, over judgmental, and at the same time don't be over soft and don't be over emotional towards a particular situation or a person, whatever it is. Okay, so try to bring balance within you. Okay, so don't be over dominating, over judgmental, over possessive, and don't be over emotional, over sensitive, like a feminine energy. So try to bring these balance within you. That's the message. So any other guidance for my Taurus here? Let's see. Soul journey. You will be shown the path, but you have to walk on it all alone. This card is trying to tell you that universe is by your side. I think you are going to feel the signs. You're going to see some signs from universe, okay, towards this person. You will get some downloads from universe. It's like you will know what you have to do intuitively. You will know what you will have to do intuitively, okay. So universe is going to guide you through your own intuition. Look at this. So just follow your heart. Follow your heart. Don't follow your mind. Be practical, but follow your heart. So I think you're going to get some guidance very soon, Taurus, okay. So just be happy, and that's the message for you. All right, so let's see what are the messages for my Taurus who are single. So we'll see what do we have for singles now, okay. So that is it, guys. So if you liked my readings, do like and subscribe to my channel, and you can always stay in touch with me. You guys take care. I'll proceed further to people who are single. You can also watch this if you want, okay. So let's see what do we have for Taurus who are single at present. We'll see what do we have for Taurus who are single right now. Any message for Taurus? Knight of Pentacles. I think you like somebody, Taurus, okay. I do see that there's someone in your life. You have this, at least you're knowing somebody, okay, but then you are waiting, you are holding on. I do see the energy where you are holding on. You don't want to get into a relationship so early. That's the message. Two of Swords, maybe because you are confused. Could be that you have choices. Some of you have choices. You have options now. This could be 2, 3, and you're waiting for the right time. Three of Cups. It's like you're focusing on your own self, on your friends. You want to have fun. You want to enjoy. You are focused on your family, friends, whatever. Okay. So I do see celebrations. So could be Taurus. You're focusing on, you want to go out, hang out with your friends, family, relatives, whatever. But I do see that energy where you are happy, okay. Wherever you are happy. You're confused, of course. There's somebody. So for some of you, I feel that you have options in your life, but you are still not in a hurry to get into a relationship right now, okay. Two of Cups. Yeah, there is, out of these options, I see that you are going to meet this person, Taurus, okay. Now this is a good news. You are going to meet your soulmate soon. I think I think for many of you, I think this person is already there in your life. That is why you are in this energy where you are confused. You are holding on. You want to know who is the right one for you. But for most of you, I feel that there's one person who may have entered your life already, okay. And you are in this energy, and that's fine. You take your time, no hurry. But I do see this person in your life, okay. There is somebody in your life who is a strong connection for you, Taurus. It's like not a strong connection. They are your twin flame. Oh my God, look at this. I told you. Oh my God. Look at this. 9 of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. I think this person has entered your life, Taurus. For most of you, I feel that this person has entered your life already. It's like your wish is coming true. And if it has not yet happened, this is happening. This is happening within next 3 months. Okay, next 3 months. So somebody is coming in your life very soon. For most of you, I feel that this person is already there because you are confused between 2, 3 people. So you have choices, Taurus. You have choices. Alright. So let's see what advice do we have for my Taurus who are single. Any advice for my Taurus who are single? All is well. Out of Ascended Masters, one of the ascended masters is guiding and protecting you. So this card is trying to tell you that your divine angels, whoever you've been praying to, they are protecting you, okay. So you are being protected, and I told you that you will be guided towards your soulmate, and this will happen at a right time. You will be guided towards your soulmate, and that will happen as per the divine timing, okay. So just have faith and patience, and I feel that you are happy right now. I don't see you unhappy. Compassion towards the animals. Be kind towards animals and birds and feed them. Maybe some of you love animals, maybe you have pets, something like this. Okay, so this message is trying to tell you that if you can help some animals or birds or feed them, that will be good for you. It will add as your good karma in your karmic account with universe. Or even if you don't have pet, this card is trying to tell you you can be kind towards animal, you can help them in some way if you can. So yeah. And soul group, if a person from your soul group is trying to help you, take it. Maybe some of you are trying to get some help, Taurus. You may get some help from your friends, colleagues, family, etc., etc. So just take that help in case if you are. Do not judge. So free your mind of perception and judgment. This card is trying to tell you that do not judge anybody. Maybe, I don't know, some of you could be that you are involved with somebody and you are hurt because maybe this person may have hurt you. Now this could be your person also, this could be your person also. So this card is trying to tell you, do not judge, do not be over judgmental. Okay, do not be over judgmental. So just let it be. Okay, no person is right or wrong. Everybody is learning, everybody is learning with their experiences, etc., etc. So just let it be. So do not judge, because yeah, that's the message, I think. Yeah, so I really hope this helps, Taurus, and if it did resonate, then do like this video and do leave a comment. And that is it. You guys take care. Bye.